Yeah, I got stuff blowing all over the yard now. Crap. I've done chased them down about 6 times now. I'll let them go to the fence and then catch up with them. But the new regulator has come in. The old regulator definitely has a burnt smell to it, and I'm going to try to depot it just to see what's in there. But just to show you guys, we're at 12 volts. And we got it healthy going to 14. Yep, definitely was the regulator. Mule's back in action. But yeah, this wind's crazy. And go video some more of this stuff. Yeah, let me go chase these buckets down and bring them in. Yeah, it's just a tad bit windy out there today. You know, I've had thunderstorms with less wind than this. This thing is blown over my metal cart. I mean, I've had thunderstorms just never knocked that over before. This is just how windy. And I mean, it's a constant wind right now, but we're getting these gusts that it's actually rattling the building here a little bit. But yeah, this is I don't know where all this wind's coming from, but criminy.